y'all, we're here at the Rosemary in Montgomery, Alabama. We're less than 20 minutes from downtown, and we're surrounded by some amazing restaurants, shops, parks, and so much more. This community features some amazing amenities such as 2 swimming pools, a fitness center, and a playground. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Outside of every unit, you'll find a private patio or balcony. Right when you enter, there's the spacious living room that opens up right into the dining room and the fully equipped kitchen. Right off the living space is the in-unit washer and dryer. Each bedroom is located on opposite sides of the living room, giving you and your roommate or guest separate spaces. Each bedroom includes a spacious closet and an ensuite bathroom. Inside the gorgeous clubhouse, you'll find the leasing office, and a seating area. This community features a wide range of amenities, including a fitness center, a community kitchen, 2 swimming pools, an outdoor resident hangout area, a playground, and an electric vehicle charging station. Click the link below to book your tour today.